Let's also give you the details of what we have for you next, which is from the fabulous brand Miele. Russell, nice to see you. Can I get in here?
Yes, of course.
You've got so many demonstrations lined up. I didn't know where to get.
I've got a lot of cleaning to get through, a lot of cleaning.
OK, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Brilliant brand. We were just hearing there from Simon the length of time he has had his Miele. And it is something we recognise as build quality.
Absolutely. The build quality is second to none. They've been making machines since 1899. They made the first bagless vacuum cleaner in 1927. But let me show you the power.
Yes, please.
This is a 1400-watt vacuum cleaner. So if we wanted to do general floor cleaning, look at this. Look how it's
jumping.
Isn't it amazing? It literally drags all that dirt from side to side, front to back. Really true edge-to-edge cleaning, giving you the ability to do all those jobs around your home. Now, this is a robust handheld vacuum as well as being a small mini upright. So that just shows you.
So it can transfer into being.
I'll show you.
A little handheld as well.
If you want to put it into a handheld, all you do is you release this handle mechanism here. We'll put that down there. We then, if we want to, we can change the head, and we're going to put a smaller head on. So we'll just put that over there. And now I'm going to put on this head here. So now, if we've got a chair to clean.
That was quite a nice, easy changeover.
Isn't it? It's lovely.
Well. Yeah. So 2 in 1. Maybe it's space that you're thinking of. You haven't got acres of space to have everything there.
It comes with some great accessories as well. For example, you've got the upholstery tool here. Now, where before I was operating it from this switch up here, now, because I've got a handheld, there's a dual switch here. And
it's also in the right place where your thumb is.
Absolutely.
Minimum, maximum, is that the suction power?
That's the suction power, so that's the minimum. And then we go on to the maximum. We're going to do this chair here, and I'm going to drag all the dirt
right out through the groove.
Look at that.
Ooh, yes.
Just one sweep, that's all it takes, because you've got that 1400 watts of power doing the cleaning for you.
That's very good.
Isn't that really good?
Now, if you had something a little more delicate, could you just adjust and have a slightly less
Then you can adjust
suction?
the power down. Now, let's say you've been working in the kitchen and you've got a bit of a mess on the side. I've got a bit of a mess here for you as well. Again, we can go directly.
Just a little.
Well, I was trying to follow Simon's recipe and I got it a bit wrong. Now, I can go on to its maximum power here. And
oh,
look,
my goodness.
It really does drag all that dough. What we've got here is coffee, tea, salt, sugar, all the kind of things that you could spill on the side at home, and literally it's being dragged into that bag. But what we have here is we don't just have 2 or 3 stages of filtration, we've got 11 stages of filtration.
Wow!
And it all goes inside.
That's amazing, seeing it jump in. So, you know, there's been a lot about bagless.
Yes.
And this is with a bag.
With a bag, absolutely.
A lot of people talk about these being better. Everybody has their own opinions. If you're an owner of a pet, because sometimes the pet hair is more difficult to get out of the sort of bagless ones.
Not only that, if you've got an allergy, these are fantastic because you take them out, you seal the bag, the dust is sealed,
there's no escape.
And you pop it into the bin. If you've got a car to clean, also it's fantastic for cleaning the car because you've got all the accessories you need. You can, for example, use it with the sort of upholstery tool. Now here we go, we've got some car cleaning here. Now, I've got coffee on my car seat here. I don't quite know exactly how I got coffee on my car seat, but you can see very quickly and very easily you've got the tools to do the job. You've also got the little crevice tool as well that can actually go deep between the sort of sides of the seat.
Oh, those are the bits that really capture. And down on the floor where it's textured,
here
sometimes
you can
hard
actually
to get
use
clean.
the handle as a vacuum tube. So you don't have to stoop to get into the car.
So you can lengthen it a little.
You can lengthen it to
and you've got that power, of course, which makes all the difference.
It's a robust machine. It's made out of the same material that a motorcycle helmet's made out of. So it really does give you fantastic cleaning power.
And a long plug, what do you call it? A long hose, what do you call it?
Electrical cable.
Cable, I was going to say thread, a long thread.
It's got 8 metres of cable. So what we've got here is, for example, as you can see with the car there, you can get all into those nooks and crannies. Oh, the boot, for example, when you're trying to clean the boot, it can be a nightmare. Again, I've used the handle to extend the vacuum tube.
So my little mucky pup in my boot would be easy to get rid of all the dog hairs that Gus has left behind.
And it does it really, because you've got that real power, 1400 watts, it'll suck it through. And also it'll give that lovely brushed feel to your carpets as well.
Do we give bags along with the...
There is a bag in the machine.
Right.
But I think you can get sort of bags from Miele, I think. But also you can get them from QVC. I think you're going to have them.
OK, excellent. So we'll be able to top up.
Absolutely.
Fine. And what's the capacity of that bag?
It's a 4-litre bag.
That's quite a lot of filth.
It is, isn't it?
Fine.
Now, what we've also got here is like a hard floor tool. Now, we're going to go on through the hard floor. So
did you switch any buttons in order to do that?
No, all I did was change the head. So here, you can see, again,
look at the edges.
Power.
Look how far away that's doing that. So that's going right up to your skirting board,
Absolutely.
which is where all the dirt loves to live and all the dander and the creatures.
Yes,
Get those creatures.
But you can see that very quickly and very easy, but also it's an easy machine to manoeuvre because it's very manoeuvrable.
So it will go pretty flat down and underneath the bed or a piece of furniture maybe. Save you having to move things every time you clean.
But it's the vacuum power I love with this machine. It really does do such a fantastic job. Now, if you've got a combination of hard floor and carpet, you can also do that as well. So what we do is we switch over. We then put on the other vacuum cleaner head. Now, this has got a combination tool, so I can go from my hard floors to the carpet. At the moment...
Just do a quick swipe on that, because we're almost out of time, Russell. Prove it to us.
So there's our hard floor.
Yeah.
OK, and then to go onto carpet, we just go onto there, and there we go. And again, if you feel it really drags, because you've got that 1400 watts of power. Deep cleaning in the carpet.
Oh, you can feel that suction. That's a solid, robust, well-built little machine.
Absolutely.
I like him that. 804-631, the item number. Obviously, 2-in-1 as well. So if space is of a premium, it is a powerful little beast. So obviously there is a little bit of, well, you can feel it. It's like when you get into a decent car, you feel it. So if you'd like to order that, try it yourselves, put it through its paces with the introductory price, £129.96. Tap the app or give us a quick call. You could be on our website ordering Miele, the Swing High Powerline 2-in-1 upright vacuum cleaner with a 8-something cable.